sometimes when I read a story, it's fun to draw, try to draw one of the pictures in the story. But I like this page. I like the tree and the puddle. So I think I would like to draw that. So I have my paint out here. I got some water to wash my butt. And I have some acrylic paint in here. I am not an artist, as I said, but I like to try, I think. And I love art, and I love drawing, and I love when people draw. I like to see when people paint, right, and draw and stuff. So I have my nice canvas here. I'm gonna get myself, I remember this is the page that I'm doing, right? I might not draw Pete the cat because I said I'm not an artist, okay? But I like the tree. So I'm gonna get myself some paint, Dida. I'm gonna put some blue paint in here. A little bit of white in here. I'm gonna put some white paint on here as well. Okay, I'm gonna try the brown for the root of the tree. Green for the tree. And I think I'm all set to go now. So let's start to paint. So I'm just gonna dip my paint in the blue. I am not tracing it first. This is nice on canvas. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna leave a path and I'm gonna put one more down here. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful when it's done. Right? So nice little puddle. That nice little puddle. I'm gonna just dip some white in here because I can with this paint. And see, it has some white on it like this. I'm just gonna put some white. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna put some white on this one as well. On this one. Oh yes. It's coming together, right, my friends? Coming together nicely. Although this seems like a little bit of blue and white. Right. So does that look like a puddle? Oh yes, I think it does look like a puddle to me. All right, and then I'm gonna try making that tree. See that tree over here with that nice branch? I'm gonna try my brown. I'm gonna dip it in the brown paint like this, and the tree is right about here, right? And it has like a that looks good, right? I'm gonna get a big brush for my tree. I'm gonna paint. I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna paint in here like a nice tree. Oh yes, that looks beautiful. The painting is so relaxing. So relaxing. I love it. Right, there's my little tree. Here's a nice red house. I'm gonna see if I can. I am not a painter. Some red paint. I got myself a pencil and I'm going to draw the house first, I think. And I think I know how to draw a basic house, right? So I'm gonna draw a house. Mr. Sandman, you give me your hand. I'll make it that I ever see. Mr. Sandman, bring me your dream. Sometimes it's good to just get some paint, get some brushes, and start painting. And who cares if it's not perfect? It doesn't need to be, right? I find, I don't know about you, my friends, but painting really, really calms me down. Painting really, really gets me in the mood. Wow. Okay, so now, and I'm gonna grab some yellow actually. I got a thin brush to make the squares. Okay, so I'm gonna put one here. And then I'm gonna put one bigger one here. I'm gonna actually use some green mixer to some white, and I need a big brush for this, big brush.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now.
Another window. And then I want the door. Just gonna get some white. I don't want it blue. And then I want to paint the door white. Right? The door is white. So that looks like a house, right? I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks the same. And that's basically it. That's how I draw scenery from a book, Peter Cat. Anybody can do this. I have no experience in painting, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna frame it and put it in my room.